finally got it. The guy was super nice. 150. He showed me everything. It works. Now just gotta go home and figure it out. All right, it's the next day. This morning, pretty tired. Got the SCT, doing some updates. Trying to figure this out. Some just my fuzzy flakes. But yeah, hopefully we can figure this out and get it done by today. Hopefully by today we'll be tuned. All right. The device is in bootloader mode. I think we're getting somewhere. Alright. Downloading tuner visions. This might take a while. Alright. We're getting there. It's finally downloading the ECU. Let's see what we get from this. Tuner has been programmed successfully. Then turn key off. All right, so let's see what we can do now. For gas 07 and prior years. Orientation. Skip that. Alright, we gotta have it like this for now, I guess. Alright, so we have this for now. Select data log file. Select it. Okay. Alright, so I got, I don't know if you can see it, but I got 4 gauges, the coolant temp, the load, the intake, and fuel pump duty cycle, whatever that is. I just want to see if it feels any different, but first I gotta warm it up real quick. So. does feel a bit faster, not gonna lie, but then it kind of evens out. yeah. Seems to work right. So yeah, this is it for this video. Got it tuned. This is all good. And now we just gotta keep it working, see what happens. And I'm guessing in a week or so I'm gonna get a personalized tune. I'm going to a meet tonight. Probably gonna have that on video and see what people are running and what's the best thing to do from now on. But alright, we're here at the meet. Cars. We got Riley. What's up, bro? Got a nice fucking Alpha. Got lucky there. Going around. Got Valentina's ride.
Wait, are you taking videos right now?
Yeah.
Send me like half of these so I can show my boss and shit.
Yeah.
For sure.
Got the bike.
So if I break this one or break your block, all I gotta pay is $100 to get it done and get a new one.
What you yelling about?
I now
Southwest
have the
Florida
full
Park and chill on motherfucking
warranty
Instagram. You know the fucking vibes.
Yes, sir. Good to meet. Yeah, it's good to ask me for now. I'm much surprised so many people turned up. Let's go inside. Let's see what's inside. What do you do? Got the peeps. No, you guys sit up. Beautiful shot.
Alright, so I got 48.14.
Whatever you need, we got you.
45 in cash.
I told him right. See?
Okay.
We're dog friendly, but only if it's lucky.
When I come by, I'm sorry, but that's all I got.
We got the peeps in the house. Follow our Instagram. You know what? You know how it is. Lucky. Alright. Clutch in.
Clutch is all the way in.
Yep.
I can turn it on.
Yep. Got my USCT, bro.
So right now we're in what?
Right now you're in neutral.
Where this is neutral right here?
Yeah.
Alright, so
E-brake. E-brake off first.
Wait, back in neutral, right? So back in neutral.
Yeah, neutral. That's not neutral. This is neutral.
Oh, middle's neutral.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you can wiggle it like that, that's neutral. Down. Now first.
First is right
Yeah.
there.
Now slowly off the clutch. There we go. There we go. Go ahead. There you go. Slowly, slowly. And I just lower the clutch. Oh, my glasses, I can see shit.
Stop down here.
Ah, fuck. There we go. Sorry.
See how I can turn this around.
Just
I'm gonna pull this over here.
no, just reverse it. Just reverse it. You know, I get stuck.
So, and then where's reverse?
No, like here, and all the way down. Then you got camera and just reverse it back.
You got reverse.
Yeah. just. No, just go this way, because you're gonna get in the hole. Yeah, just go that way. Yeah. Just keep reversing right there. Yeah, just keep going.
People are like, what the fuck are they doing?
Alright.
Side to neutral.
Yeah, that way.
This is first try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna tight, but. There you go. Perfect.
Hell yeah. I got it going quicker that time.
There you go. Alright, slow it down. There you go. And I'll just park it. Here. Be careful, huh? Yeah, just park it forward there. Yeah, just wherever. On the brake. So, hey. Perfect.
Ah! It's alright.
You got it, boy. You got it.
It was alright. We did decent.
Nah, I popped in neutral, that's why it stalled.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's capping, but if she's for real.
But yeah, we're ending the video.
I don't know whether.
We got Seb, we got TJ, we got Lucky. Thank you for watching. Give me the HBO special. That's a Happy Father Out special. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.